UI/UX design is the discipline of designing digital products that are easy to use, clear to understand, and effective for users. UI means user interface, which focuses on how a product looks. UX means user experience, which focuses on how a product works and feels when people use it. Good digital products require both. User experience begins with understanding people. UX design is about identifying user needs, goals, and problems before designing anything. Designers ask questions such as, who is the user? What are they trying to achieve? What frustrates them? UX is problem solving, not decoration. A key part of UX is user flow. User flow describes the path a user follows to complete a task, such as signing up, making a payment, or finding information. A good user flow is simple, logical, and requires as few steps as possible. Poor user flow causes confusion and abandonment. User interface design focuses on visual elements. UI includes layout, colors, typography, spacing, buttons, icons, and visual hierarchy. Good UI makes content readable and actions obvious. Poor UI makes products look cluttered, confusing, or unprofessional. Consistency is critical in UI design. Similar actions should look and behave the same across the product. Consistent colors, button styles, and layouts help users learn faster and feel comfortable. Consistency reduces cognitive effort and improves usability. Design is not guessing. It involves testing and feedback. Designers test ideas using wireframes, mock-ups, or prototypes before full development. Feedback from real users helps identify problems early. Improving design through testing saves time and cost later. Accessibility is another important part of UI/UX design. Digital products should be usable by as many people as possible, including those with visual, motor, or cognitive challenges. Clear text, proper contrast, readable fonts, and simple navigation improve accessibility. UI/UX design is used everywhere: mobile apps, websites, banking platforms, education tools, and business software. Good design increases trust, satisfaction, and engagement. Bad design pushes users away, even if the product itself is powerful. This course does not turn you into a graphic artist overnight. It gives you a strong foundation in how good digital design works. You learn to think from the user's perspective and design with purpose. UI/UX design is about clarity, empathy, and intention. This course helps you understand how to design digital products that people actually enjoy using.